The topic of discussion for this video is what are the tax filing requirements for dormant companies in Singapore. So first of all, what is a dormant company? So the dictionary meaning of the word dormant means inactive. It is possible that you have incorporated a company, but company is not engaging any business and it is not booking any sales revenue or any profit. So in that circumstances, it will be considered as a dormant company, and the general criteria that we apply for company to be called as a dormant is there is no sales invoice, not even for a single dollar. Total expenses are less than 1000 Singapore dollars in a year. This is because even if company is dormant, there can be still some expenses, like you might be paying for bank fees or bank account maintenance charges, or there can be some other small charges like internet service or something like that. And the total number of transactions is less than 100. So typically, if this criteria is met, the company will be considered to be a dormant. But the true test is that there is no sales and there is no profit. So if this is the case, then the question is, are these companies which are classified as dormant, are they required to file estimated chargeable income and tax return? So the answer is that no, they are not really required to file ECI and tax return if they are dormant. However, they need to notify that they are in a dormant state by filing a Form C waiver. So this Form C waiver needs to be sent to IRS, and let's have a look on this form. So this is a Form C waiver form, and the heading itself says application for waiver of income tax return submission by dormant company. It's quite a straightforward form. You specify the name of the company and tax reference number, and then you provide here confirmation that company is not carrying any business and does not have any trade income and is not receiving any other income from investment, etc. And you can specify the date from which it has become dormant or inactive, or it can be inactive right from the incorporation date, as the case may be. And then you have to sign the form as the officer of the company. Generally, these activities now can be done online using corporate pass, but for the sake of presentation, we can use this paper form. One key thing to note here, you also sign the undertaking to notify the controller of income tax if the company resumes business again and start deriving income. So as you can see, it is a very simple form, can be signed and filed with IRS, and once you get the approval, then you have an exemption from filing ECI or tax return for all coming years till the time company again becomes active. So in summary, dormant companies need not file estimated chargeable income or a tax return if approval for Form C waiver has already been obtained from IRS.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.